iba pang balita, kumpiyansa ang Philippine Stock Exchange na muling magpapatuloy ang pagtaas ng index points nito. Posible raw pumalo ang index points sa 7,000. Para sa detalye, balitaan mo kami George Bandola.
Naglalaro ngayon sa 6,700 index points ang Philippine Stock Exchange. Paniwala ng mga local traders, pwede pa itong pumalo sa 7,000 index points bago matapos ang taon.
Tingnan natin ito, compared to the other markets, we're quite ahead and we're quite stronger now. What's happening to the listed companies that continue to perform well, and of course all the projections and assumptions of financial institutions and also foreign individuals, investors, looking at the Philippine economy and the local stock market.
It looks like we are very near. Very hopeful that within the year we would reach that 7,000.
But this will be the first time if we reach that.
Of course.
Mainit pa rin ang profit-taking ngayong nakakahuma na ang ekonomiya ng Amerika. Mula sa mga foreign funds na nailagak sa local capital market, nagbabalak pa rin ang marami na ilipat ito sa Amerika dahil sa kasiguruhan sa pera na ipinangako ng Federal Reserves.
It's still considered one of the biggest, if not the biggest in the world. So, given that ito yung pinakamalaking trading partner natin, mas madaming oportunidad sa Amerika na nakikita pa rin tayo in terms of both countries, Philippines and the US. And then I think we think mas magbe-benefit pa rin tayo. And also, given that most foreign funds will continue to look at companies that are here, that will continue to exhibit or give good.
Pero hindi naman daw dapat maalarmang lokal na merkado kasi matatag ang ekonomiya ng bansa na nagpapanatili rin sa soft investment ng mga kapitalista.
In the Philippines, we have so much reserve. We are in much better economic fundamental. We have much better economic fundamentals than Japan. So by and large, our country have the means to defend itself as far as the economy is concerned.
Patunay sa ganda ng merkado, ipinakilala sa publiko ng Century Pacific Food ang stocks nito. Nagbukas sa 15 pesos ang initial public offering ng CNPF at tumubo na agad ito ng 30 centimos sa pagtatapos ng trading day sa PSE.
We do have a few capital investments already lined up. I think we mentioned in our prospectus that one of the big investments is a can-making facility where we will manufacture between 25 to 30% of our own internal can requirements. We also recently doubled the capacity of our dairy plant and a number of other investments.
Ang pagbili sa stocks ay pagbibigay sa publiko ng kapangyarihang magmay-ari ng ilang bahagi ng kumpanya sakaling bumili ang mga ito ng shares of stocks na inilalabas ng kumpanya. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, George Bandola.